नमस्कार दोस्तों, गुड मॉर्निंग, हाउ आर यू। आप देख पा रहे हैं स्क्रीन पर मैं आज आप लोगों के लिए मॉडल्स का पार्ट 3 लेकर के आया हूं। दोस्तों, मैंने पहले कहा था कि मॉडल थोड़ा बड़ा चैप्टर है, विस्तार काफ़ी है इसका, इसके प्रयोग बहुत ज़्यादा हैं। तो दोस्तों, मैंने कहा था कि दो दो कर करके मैं सारे मॉडल्स आपके सामने लाऊंगा। दोस्तों, आज मे और माइट के बारे में चर्चा करेंगे मॉडल्स के पार्ट 3 में। दोस्तों, ये बहुत कॉमन सा वर्ड है, लेकिन कहीं कहीं हमें दुविधा होती है कि मे का प्रयोग कब करें और माइट का प्रयोग कब करें। मे और माइट के प्रयोग करने के कौन कौन से पॉइंट्स हैं। मैंने मे के बारे में जब मैं पार्ट 1 लेकर के आया था मॉडल का, तब मैंने कहा था कि मे के बारे में पॉसिबिलिटीज भी दिखाते हैं, उसका अर्थ सकना होता है, ढेर सारी बातें मैंने आपसे करी थी। दोस्तों, आप उस वीडियो को जरूर देखिएगा अपना बेस स्ट्रॉन्ग करने के लिए। और आज की क्लास में आप देखिएगा मे और माइट में क्या डिफरेंस है, कब इसका इस्तेमाल किया जा सकता है। दोस्तों, लेट्स स्टार्ट, चलो शुरू करते हैं। देखिएगा मॉडल्स 3 मे एंड माइट। सबसे पहले हम बात करते हैं पॉसिबिलिटी की। पॉसिबिलिटी, अब देखिएगा यहां आपको तुरंत समझ में आ गया होगा, मे के नीचे लिखा है 70% पॉसिबिलिटी दोस्तों, और माइट के नीचे लिखा है 40% पॉसिबिलिटी। पहला अंतर तो ऐसे ही समझ में आ गया आपको कि मे और माइट जब दोनों का प्रयोग करते हैं तब हम उसकी पॉसिबिलिटीज की बात करते हैं, तो मे हमको दिखाता है कहीं ज्यादा संभावना की बात और माइट मे से कम संभावना की बात दिखाता है। दोस्तों, तो 70% और 40%। तो देखते हैं, सबसे पहले हम एक बात करें इस चीज पर कि मे और माइट के प्रयोग करते समय जो हमने मे को 70% दिखाया है और माइट को 40% दिखाया है, तो मैं क्या आपसे प्रश्न कर सकता हूं कि आप अपने प्रयासों से, जो आप वीडियोस देख रहे हैं, मेरी क्लास का वीडियो देख रहे हैं, आपको क्या लगता है इस वीडियो का परिणाम आपको क्या मिलेगा? यू मे 70%, you may learn English by watching my videos, or you might learn English. मित्रों, यदि आप एफर्ट ज्यादा कर रहे होंगे तो आपको ज्यादा पॉसिबिलिटी है अंग्रेजी सीखने की। You may learn English। और यदि आप कम वीडियोस देख रहे होंगे, कई बार आदत होती है लोगों को कि वो वीडियोस को बस फॉरवर्ड कर करके देखना है, ऐसा लगता है कि हम बस ग्लिम्स देखें, झलक देखें और वीडियो से पूरी जानकारी हमको अंग्रेजी की हो जाएगी। नहीं दोस्तों, वी आर चीटिंग आवरसेल्व्स इफ यू वॉच द वीडियो कंप्लीटली फ्रॉम बिगिनिंग टिल द एंड एंड अगेन, then you will be in the practice. Then you can say you may learn English or you might learn English. So may and might, the possibility is 70% with may and possibility is almost 40% with might. Okay, let's go ahead and we can understand some things more by watching a picture of may and might. Yes, look at the picture here. The cloud is more than this picture. That's why we can see the possibility is more here. We are using it may rain. Why? Because observing this cloud, we can say it may rain because we really think, we feel that there is more possibility of rain. That's why we are saying it may rain. And obviously, when we think, when we feel that less possibility, it might rain. Okay? So what do you think? Think of your brother or your sister observing her or his preparation for the exam. What do you think? If you observe his or her preparation, what do you think? He may pass the exam or she may pass the exam. And think, if you find less possibility, then you can say he might pass the exam or she might pass the exam. What do you feel? If you feel that your brother is busy in playing video games and talking to his friends, then you can say, yeah, he might pass the exam, but you feel his dedication towards his exam, then you can say he may pass the exam because you feel more possibility. Okay, दोस्तों, फिर हम चलते हैं अगले पिक्चर की तरफ। फिर देखिएगा यहां पर ये पिक्चर से आप क्या समझ पा रहे हैं। यहां देखिए एक बच्चा जो जंप कर रहा है, उसके पिता उसको पकड़ने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं। यू थिंक दैट द फादर इज इन द हैबिट ऑफ डूइंग सच थिंग्स? नो, दैट्स व्हाई what is the sentence here? The child may fall down. If there is a little mistake, that child may fall down. But the right side, you can see one more picture. The cleaner is cleaning the window, standing on a ladder. He might fall. Why might fall? There is less possibility, friends, because he is in the habit of doing such work almost every day, because this is his job and he is in the practice of doing such things. If there is chance of falling down, then a small amount of chance, a small amount of possibility of falling down. That's why I am saying the cleaner might fall down, but here the father is not in the habit of doing such work. That's why I am saying that the father missed it. That's why the child may fall down. Okay? मित्रों, फिर देखते हैं एक और पिक्चर आपके सामने है। ये तो बहुत कॉमन सा है, आप सब देखते हैं, आईपीएल के मैचेस होते हैं। यदि हम हेड टू हेड एनालिसिस को देखें बिटवीन चेन्नई सुपर किंग्स एंड मुंबई इंडियंस, तो वो एनालिसिस क्या कहता है? दे हैव प्लेड टोटल 19 मैचेस, फ्रेंड्स, एंड आउट ऑफ 19 चेन्नई सुपर किंग्स हैव वन 10 मैचेस and Mumbai Indians have won 9 matches. According to this study, what we can say? Chennai Super King may win the trophy. Yes, Chennai Super King may win the trophy because possibility is more there with Chennai Super Kings according to past record. And the same thing I am saying, Mumbai Indians might win the trophy. Why? Because we find less possibility studying past record. Okay, let's go ahead. One more thing. What do you feel about yourself? You may be preparing yourself for getting job. This is need of each and every youth. So what do you think about yourself? You may get a job means you think that there is more possibility. Then you can say, yeah, I may get a job, or you may get a job. But what do you think? If you are not satisfied with your preparation, then you can say, I might get a good job. I might. May tells you about more possibility and might tells you about small or less possibility. So just analyze your preparation and speak honestly. You may get job or you might get job. If you do not pay attention towards your preparation, you might not get job. That's why be honest. Okay, let's go ahead. Yes, one more thing is there. Permission and request. May tells us about permission and request. Permission and request both have almost the same nature. Yes, but one more thing. Read the sentence properly and carefully. May tells us about formality, formal things, and much commoner. Which word is common nowadays in speaking? May. And might is more polite. It doesn't mean may doesn't show politeness. No, may also shows politeness, but might is more polite. If you use might, you are more polite. And the second one, more formal, and the third one, rare. This is common. May is common, but might is rare. Okay, that's why we do not find the word might nowadays in use. Okay, let's see what that lady is asking for. May I come in? she is polite, but this is common word may. But if you say might I come in, you are more polite, but this word is rare nowadays. Okay? Yes. And similarly, may I ask you a question? Yes, may I ask you a question? Commoner than might. And might I ask when the doctor comes? Here you are more polite. Once again, let me tell you, if you use may, you are polite as well. But might is more polite than may. So might I ask when the doctor comes? Yes, let's go ahead. This is for request. May and might. Once again, let me repeat, may is commoner than might, and might is more polite than may, but rare. Nowadays we do not find might, because politeness, I think people think it is a kind of pretense. No, politeness is our property. You manage it anyhow. Okay? Be polite when you are talking to elders. Yes. Then may I have some more coffee? She's asking for more coffee using may. She's requesting, not permission, requesting. And here, might I borrow your pencil? That boy, that student is talking to his teacher. That's why he is more polite here. And may I के स्थान पर might I borrow your pencil, because he is showing more politeness, friends. Okay, yeah, let's go ahead. One more point is there. May shows the wish to wish someone. If you wish someone, we use may. That can never do it. One more model we have read in our previous videos, that can never tells us about what to wish someone. If you want to bless someone, then use may. As you can see in this picture, the boy is going to take part in his exam, and before leaving the house, he goes to his grandfather, and his grandfather is blessing him, saying what? May God bless you, my child. ईश्वर आपको आशीर्वाद दे. Similarly, one more picture you can see here. I would like to request what? But let me tell you that mother-in-law is blessing daughter-in-law, saying, may you live long. Dirghayu bhava, Ayushman bhava. So what I want to share with you, what I want to tell you, that this is rich Indian culture, my friends. We should never avoid this culture. This is our special identification. Nowadays, youth, children are avoiding such things, and I hope that you people will anyhow keep the tradition and custom, rich tradition alive by touching the feet of your elders. Nowadays we touch the knees of our elders, but no, do, if you want to do it properly or perfectly. So if you touch the feet of your elders, they bless you, saying, may you live long, may God bless you, may you live happily, may you prosper. So many things, different kinds of blessing you get from your elders. But once again, I would like to request you, but please do not forget our own Indian culture, my friends. Okay? Yes. May all your dreams come true. In my previous videos also, I wished all of you, saying, may all your dreams come true. If you are dreaming of speaking English, then please watch my videos from beginning till the end. If you really value the time will value you. But do not cheat yourselves. Please, may all your dreams come true and may you progress by leaps and bounds. दिन दूनी रात चौगनी आपकी उन्नति हो, आप समृद्ध हो। इसी कामना के साथ मित्रों आज ही मैं और माइट की क्लास को यही विराम देता हूं दोस्तों। I wish that you may be watching my video from beginning till the end. If you like this video, if you find it is helpful, then please share the video amongst your friends and request them to subscribe and let them share amongst their friends. Please subscribe करिए, like करिए, वीडियो को पूरा देखिए मित्रों, तभी तो रिजल्ट आपको मिलेगा। More you do efforts, more you get. Thank you. Bye. जय हिंद।